Bill Deweese here, pro voiceover talent, voiceover career coach, and free training alert. Imagine red flashing lights, free training alert. I've got a free webinar coming up for you this Wednesday night. Yes, this Wednesday night. It's Q&A with three experts. My daughter, Mallory Hanford, who will be talking about Fiverr and how she makes so much money on Fiverr. She really does. Mike Hathcote, who'll be talking about how to make money using social media as a marketing tool in voiceover. And Keith Harris also talking about how to increase your voiceover income by getting repeat clients. It's a Q&A. They recently did their own training sessions, but now this is strictly Q&A, and we'll squeeze in as many as we can. But I'll tell you, it's huge. It's filling up fast, and I don't know that we'll be able to accommodate everybody who wants to. So if you want to be in this, I would encourage you to sign up and register right now. Go into the description below and get registered. We'd love to have you there. All right. So there are no shortcuts. There are no voiceover shortcuts. That's the title of today's video. And you may think, well, duh. Yeah, of course there's not, but I can't tell you how many times. As a matter of fact, Mallory and I, my daughter, had lunch today, and we were just talking about how many times each of us have been approached by people and said, but yeah, I know what you've said to do, what I need to do to be successful in voiceover, but how can I really just skip all that really hard stuff and get to, like, what's the secret so I can be doing what you're doing? Just peel back the layers. Just give me, what's that thing that you do? And here's the answer. There is no secret. There are no shortcuts. It's work. Now, you can either just work by spinning your wheels and guessing and throwing mud against the wall or being frustrated, or you can have a plan that you know will work, but you've got to do it. You've got to do the work. And of course, I sell voiceover training, and it's tempting for me to say, hey, yeah, sure, just come on in a few weeks. And yeah, I'm not saying you won't make money in a few weeks, but you're not going to build a career in a few weeks. No way, no how. And I just want to encourage you to have the right mentality, because to be successful, gosh, in life, not just voiceover, and certainly in any kind of business, you need to have a plan, and then you need to do the things that other people have done that work, and then you have to apply yourself and do that hard work. I mean, as a matter of fact, recently, I'm getting back to my roots in marketing. What happens is your business grows, is you end up doing more voiceover than marketing, and you're catering to clients instead of going out and getting new ones all the time, at least to the degree that you were, when you first started off. But with COVID, my business says I've lost some business. It's slowed down, especially with all my corporate work. And so I'm getting back to basics, and I've been doing direct marketing, and it's work. It's not easy. It's grinding it out. And, I'll be honest with you. I don't like calling people I don't know. I don't like sending emails to people I don't know, but I do it because I know that's what it takes to be successful. And if that doesn't quite sink in, think of it this way. It's the difference between people who are looking towards their retirement, and their plan is either buying lottery tickets, which is the plan of a lot of people, or those who take the less exciting route and they decide to have an IRA or mutual funds or investments that they systematically invest in, and it doesn't bring real fast results. But what happens is when they reach retirement, they have a lot of money. At least their needs are taken care of. Whereas at least they know there's a high percentage of that. But the person who's playing the lottery, essentially getting their lottery tickets, it's a very small chance of being successful. I'm not saying it can't happen, but the chances are so small. So there are no shortcuts. You have to do the work. You just have to. Now, yes, find somebody who's accomplished what you want to accomplish and be involved in their training, take their training, be under their guidance and leadership and mentorship. But that doesn't mean there's not work involved. It doesn't mean you can cut through doing the things that you have to do. Will it be a shorter path than if you try to figure it out yourself? Absolutely. Of course it will be. But there are no shortcuts to success. You've got to do the hard work. Just making sure the hard work you're doing is the stuff that you need to be doing and not the extra stuff that you don't need to be doing because you're just guessing at what you're doing. So, and you may be to the place where you're past all of this and you get it and you understand, and that's great. But I know there are many, especially I think earlier on in their career, who think, okay, but you know what? I'm just tired of this. I'm tired of the emails. I'm tired of the phone calls. I'm tired of auditioning all the time. How can I just get to the good stuff? Well, the good stuff, there's a price to be paid for that. And it's called a business plan, and it's called executing that business plan every day. And you can do it. That's the good news. You can do it. I've done it. Hundreds and thousands of other people have done it. You can do it as well. And a good place to start would be to attend the free training this Wednesday night. Get your questions answered. But make sure you get your spot while there's still a spot to be had. Go to the description below, click the link, get signed up. I look forward to seeing you there, and I'll talk to you soon.